Hi everyone. So I'm reading this book called The 10x Rule, The Only Difference Between Success and Failure by Grant Cardone. So I'm on a page where it says commit first and figure out later. So I really like this particular phrase. Why? Because he says most people assume that they have to figure out everything out first and will commit once they do. However, they never seem to get around it. Even when they do figure it out and are ready to commit, they usually find that the opportunity no longer exists or that someone else has claimed the spoils. Committing first means getting 100% behind whatever it is you are committing to before you figure out every detail. So how many of you think about starting a business? How many of you think about coming to the stock market? How many of you determined to lose weight? But at the same time, you first do not determine to make it a success, but rather you look for the various preparation that you need to do. It's not bad to look for preparation, but committing yourself first is very, very important. I remember when I started my YouTube channel, almost like I worked for almost 24 hours. It's said that it's not the dreams which you see when you are sleeping, but it's the dreams which do not allow you to sleep. Those are the dreams which actually convert into reality. So this kind of a commitment, when you determine to be successful, when you determine to be absolutely committed to the cause, that's when you make complete success. Whether it is trading, whether it is your personal life, until you commit 100%, you will not be able to make good money or good life out of anything. And he further says, although it can be dicey to commit first and figure out the rest later, it is a belief that creativity and problem solving are stimulated only after a person fully commits. It's not that when you commit, no challenge will come, nothing will happen. But you will get the ability and the wisdom to deal with those challenges when you are fully committed. Although preparation and training are critical, challenges of the marketplace will require you to act before you determine how to make it turn out all right. It is not necessarily the smartest and brightest who win the game of life, but rather those who can commit the most passionately to their cause. So it's not people who are very smart, they are not the people who will always outshine others. It's people who are committed most. Same goes in stock market. It does not need your qualification, it does not need your background, it does not even need money. It needs your commitment. When you come to the stock market, come with a commitment to work daily. Improve your skills daily, improve your trading style daily, improve your understanding about the market daily, learn something about market daily. Even after being in the market for almost like 25 to 30 years, there is not even a single day when I have not learned something new. It can be from a new person, from a new trader, from an old trader, from any book. I have every day learned something new about the stock market. Until we accumulate these small learning every day, we can't be a great successful trader. So for becoming a successful trader, learn something new every day from anybody, any person, any information or any book, and that's going to make you the best trader in the world. So all the best, keep learning and keep burning with stock.